The iRobot Roomba i7 Plus sets a new standard for automated home cleaning with its cutting-edge features and advanced technology. One of its most notable attributes is the Clean Base automatic dirt disposal, which allows the robot to empty its own dustbin into an enclosed bag, capable of holding up to 60 days of debris. This hands-free feature makes it ideal for those with busy schedules or households that generate a lot of dirt, such as homes with pets or children. At the core of its functionality is the iAdapt 3.0 navigation system with vSLAM technology, enabling the Roomba i7 Plus to create a detailed and precise map of your home. This map is stored in its memory, allowing for efficient and targeted cleaning sessions. For instance, you can instruct the device to clean specific rooms or zones, such as the kitchen after meals or high-traffic areas during the day. Additionally, its Dirt Detect technology ensures that the dirtiest spots in your home receive extra attention. The Roomba i7 Plus features a powerful 3-stage cleaning system, utilizing dual multi-surface rubber brushes that adjust and flex to remain in constant contact with floors. Paired with its 10x suction power, this system lifts dirt, debris, and even stubborn pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. Its high-efficiency filter traps 99% of allergens, pollen, and dust mites, making it a great choice for allergy sufferers. For added convenience, the Roomba i7 Plus integrates seamlessly with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to start or schedule cleaning with simple voice commands. The device also supports the iRobot Home app, where you can control cleaning schedules, customize maps, and access maintenance updates. With smart features like keep out zones, you can designate areas to avoid, such as pet feeding stations or delicate furniture. Built for convenience, efficiency, and precision, the Roomba i7 Plus is a game-changer for modern homes. Its long-lasting performance and automated features redefine the concept of hassle-free cleaning. The Eufy RoboVac 11S is a compact yet powerful robotic vacuum designed for those who value simplicity and performance. Its ultra-slim design, only 2.85 inches tall, allows it to glide under low furniture and clean areas that are typically hard to reach. Despite its compact size, this model boasts a powerful 1,300 Pascal suction, making it capable of picking up dirt, crumbs, and pet hair with ease from both hard floors and carpets. Equipped with BoostIQ technology, the RoboVac 11S automatically increases suction power when transitioning from hard floors to carpets, ensuring a thorough clean across all surfaces. Its 3-point cleaning system uses a rolling brush, side brushes, and strong suction to deliver comprehensive cleaning. The triple-layer filter system traps fine dust and particles, maintaining a cleaner and healthier home environment. The RoboVac 11S operates quietly, producing less noise than a microwave, making it perfect for use during work-from-home days or evenings when you want a peaceful atmosphere. Its 100-minute runtime on a single charge ensures that it can cover large areas without interruption. Once the battery runs low, it automatically returns to its charging base to power up for the next cleaning session. This model includes infrared sensors for obstacle detection and drop sensing technology to avoid stairs or ledges, ensuring safe operation. The RoboVac 11S requires minimal maintenance, with a washable dustbin and filters that are easy to clean. With its sleek design, powerful cleaning ability, and affordable price, it's an excellent entry point into the world of robotic vacuums. The SharkIQ Robot Self-Empty XL is designed for convenience and powerful cleaning, particularly in larger homes. Its standout feature is the self-emptying dustbin, which allows the robot to deposit debris into a base that holds up to 30 days of dirt and dust. This means you can go for weeks without having to worry about emptying the bin manually. Equipped with IQ navigation, the SharkIQ creates detailed maps of your home to ensure efficient and thorough cleaning. Unlike random pattern vacuums, it cleans row by row and room by room, leaving no area untouched. The device supports zone cleaning, so you can prioritize high-traffic areas or schedule specific rooms for cleaning. You can control these features through the Shark Clean app or with voice commands via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The SharkIQ robot is equipped with a powerful multi-surface brush roll designed to pick up pet hair, dirt, and debris from carpets and hard floors. Its self-cleaning brush roll prevents hair from getting tangled, making it ideal for pet owners. With its high-efficiency filter, the robot captures allergens and dust, improving air quality in your home. This vacuum offers a long runtime and automatically returns to its base to recharge as needed. Safety features include cliff sensors to avoid stairs and edges, ensuring that the robot navigates safely around your home. Its large-capacity dustbin and robust cleaning performance make it a strong choice for families and pet owners who need an efficient, low-maintenance cleaning solution.